This is why 99% of PPCers end up killing their campaigns. The number one PPC blunder is something I actually cover on this coaching call with Andrew. Not only do I run campaigns and work with my own clients, I actually coach other PPCers and businesses. And so I actually go over the number one PPC blunder with Andrew on this coaching call. He's a wonderful guy. He's been in the PPC game for about 5 years. I wanted to share this series of actually how I'm going through and coaching him through how to navigate and understand and analyze your ad campaigns. So without further ado, Andrew and Artur, take it away.
They sell headphones and they have two models of these headphones. And basically that's it. And some supplementary products, but mainly, these two models of headphones. We are struggling to scale profitably. For example, if we go to our shopping campaign and we focus only on our non-branded campaigns, so we see that our search impression share for the last 30 days is 43%. Yeah, we would like to increase it to about 70%. What was done? I optimized feed as much as I can. So we have all the possible attributes. Everything is, fulfilled. We also tried that your strategy with duplicated products, right? Did it help? There is actually no clear visibility that it really helped. It increased conversions.
And so those campaigns were launched on February 27th, 24th-ish. When did you, it looks like you're still running some of them, but maybe not the non-brand $40 a day at the very bottom. Looks like that's no longer running.
Yeah, I paused it like recently, about 2 weeks ago, because products in there, they were not getting like really high CTR. And, in order, that was my logic to increase. I wanted to focus more on products that get higher CTR. So in this way, we get more clicks.
Yep.
That was the idea.
And then in the clicks section, could you change the clicks over to just conversions, not conversions by time? I want to compare those two.
Perfectly matches. Oh, actually, another thing you should be aware of. I was trying your rules. I decreased revenue by 50% from around here. Also. Yeah. Like all orders multiplied by 0.5. Yeah.
Okay.
I tried it, just to see what happens, but I don't see any impact.
Okay.
Zero.
So,
yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So you decreased the value of the conversions. What day did you do that?
It should be around here.
Okay. And that's still going on?
Yeah. But okay. I want to turn it off because we added, profit metrics tracking.
Yep.
Just to track more orders and track profits. Yeah, just for this reason.
Yeah.
Because they got that conversion booster. Yeah. Cool thing. Yeah.
Yeah, the conversion booster, but also bidding on profit, which is the,
exactly.
pretty cool feature within profit metrics. So the way to kind of assess whether that decrease in reporting conversion value is to look at average CPC and look at the time before and after. So I would bring that column in or over in place of conversions and just see if the average CPC stayed relatively the same or increased.
Actually, I was checking this and I really didn't see any
if anything, it went slightly
difference.
up.
So it happened. Yeah. It happened. It also happened. Actually, I made a mistake. I did this implemented this value rule and created duplicates. So two changes at once, about
Yep.
at once.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, this was a mistake.
Yeah. So it's like which one actually worked, you don't know because of those two changes being made at the same time.
It's not 100% clear.
What were the changes that you made on the second to last note there over to the right?
Yeah. Okay, this is about launching PMAX for other countries.
Okay.
So it doesn't impact this chart. Then here, which had like real impact on performance, I post low CTR products. These low CTR duplicates, and our cost per acquisitions just went up. Yeah, like crazy. Yeah, because the idea was, to focus more on products that generate more clicks and more conversions, but it didn't work out. At least for the last 2 weeks, it just doesn't work.
So the
Yeah.
time went up, but you're saying that the cost per conversion also went up?
Okay, so here was the change.
Yeah.
And another thing, I think we should analyze it like on the account level. But even if we only analyze these campaigns, as you can see, CAC, CPA just went up compared to the previous period.
Yeah. And is the average conversion like AOV, did that also go up or did it stay the same?
Listen, AOE is always the same.
Okay. So it's pretty much.
I can calculate it. Yeah, it's the same. So it really doesn't matter. Yeah. And I just interested in comparing dates before this change. Yeah, actually, as you can see, CTR went up because we post low CTR. And CPC went down. Oh, actually, conversion rate went up. Interesting.
Yeah.
And CPA went down, but on account level, performance went down.
Now, is that so? This is just US. So did the account?
Yeah, US.
Yeah. So where in the account did things go down? Was it other countries?
No. If we go to account level, right? Actually, no, I'm wrong. Even on account level, CPA went down, but it just recently increased.
Yeah, it looks like the last kind of 2 weeks-ish, things look better from a CAC standpoint.
Yeah.
So as you see here, the biggest mistake that PPCers make is actually making too many changes and not knowing when to make the changes.